Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the circular ruler in Ibis Paint X. First, locate the ruler icon in the upper toolbar of your canvas. Tap on it to reveal the various ruler options. From this menu, select the circular ruler. You can then drag the center point of the ruler to precisely where you want your circle to originate. This sets the anchor for all your perfect circular strokes. Once your circular ruler is placed, you can easily adjust its dimensions. Use a two-finger pinch or spread gesture on your screen to make the circle larger or smaller, fitting your artistic needs. To rotate the ruler, simply use a two-finger twisting motion. After positioning, tap the lock icon to secure the ruler, ensuring it stays perfectly still as you draw. With your circular ruler set, it's time to draw. Choose any brush and color from your palette. As you draw, your strokes will automatically snap to the curve of the circular ruler. This allows you to create perfectly smooth arcs and complete circles with ease. Experiment with different brush sizes and opacities to achieve various effects, all while maintaining flawless circular precision. When you're finished, simply tap the ruler icon in the toolbar and select Off to remove the circular guide. For more advanced designs, consider using multiple circular rulers simultaneously to create intricate overlapping patterns. You can also combine the circular ruler with other tools, like the straight ruler, to achieve unique geometric compositions. This opens up many creative possibilities for your artwork.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.